In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a professional Skool community quickly and efficiently. If you're looking to build a thriving, engaging space for your audience on Skool, stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up a community that brings value, keeps members engaged, and drives growth. First things first, Skool's primary focus is its ability to bring together both learning and community in one seamless platform. Unlike other community platforms, Skool integrates courses and discussions, making it easy for your members to learn and engage with each other in one place. This is a great feature if you're trying to create a more integrated learning experience rather than just a forum for random discussions. Next thing, setting up your Skool community is as easy as it gets. You don't need to be a tech wizard to create a professional community. Skool's user-friendly interface allows you to set up your community in just a few clicks. You can create courses, integrate video lessons, and add discussion boards right away. The system even gives you customizable options, so you can tweak things to match your branding and personal style. Now let's talk about features that make your community engaging. One of the best things about Skool is the ability to use posts, discussions, and direct messaging to keep your community active. Skool prioritizes a clean design without too many distractions, so your members can focus on the content. However, there is a downside. While simple, the limited customization options can feel restrictive for some users who want more control over the layout and appearance. Next thing to know, managing your members is straightforward with Skool, but there's still room for improvement. You can easily see who is active, how engaged they are, and even assign them to specific courses or groups. However, one limitation here is the lack of advanced member segmentation and automation features that other platforms provide. If you're managing a larger community with complex needs, Skool might fall short in terms of offering deep automation and advanced segmentation features. Now, let's talk about monetization. Skool offers an integrated payment system for your courses, which is great if you want to sell premium content. However, while it's simple to set up, you may find that there are fewer monetization features compared to more robust platforms like Kajabi or Thinkific. The Skool platform doesn't offer direct affiliate management, upselling, or advanced payment options, which can be a drawback if you're looking for more flexibility with your revenue streams. The fourth thing to note is Skool's community building tools. Skool's use of discussion threads, groups, and comment sections makes it easy to spark conversations and engage with your members. You also have the option to allow live events and webinars to interact with your community in real time. But while these features are great, the lack of some social features, like live chats or in-depth analytics, could leave some users wanting more. One last thing, if you're looking for more freedom and flexibility to create the exact community experience you want, you may want to explore alternatives to Skool. While it's a solid choice for some, other platforms like Mighty Networks or Circle offer more customization options, better member segmentation, and more monetization tools. Skool is great for getting started, but these alternatives might give you more power to scale and grow your community more effectively. I've got a special bonus for you. Through our link, you'll get access to an exclusive and extended free trial of Skool, which will help you get started on the right foot. Plus, you'll also get access to other platforms that offer better customization and community building features, all with their own free trials. If you're serious about building a professional community, these alternatives might be the better option for you. So, make sure to check out the links in the description and get started today.